So, okay. Siyempre, we also would like to acknowledge yung gumawa, yung nag-initiate para sa barangay, itong painting na to give the rationale of the creative project. Before that, may we call on our kagawad to introduce the one who initiated the creative project. May I call on Richard Villela.
Good morning to each and everyone. He was born at Mangkayan, Benguet. His father is from Bontoc and her mother is from Sugado. He is a dedicated husband to Attorney Cheryl Daitek Yangot and a father to 3 beautiful children. He studied and graduated from the St. Louis University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. He is presently one of the best counselors in the city from the years 2010 to 2019 and from 2022 to the present. He was a former member of the Board of Directors of the John Hay Management Corporation, a former ABC President of Baguio City Chapter, and a former Punong Barangay of Bakaking Norte. In his passion in making Baguio City a truly creative initiative, our beloved barangay is one among the different barangays chosen by him to conduct and give free trainings on free comprehensive free art lessons. Through a joint memorandum of agreement entered into by his group, composed by a team of artists and the barangay to make a mural wall, our dream of having one finally had come to reality. So without further ado, to give the rationale for the creative project, it is my honor and pleasure to introduce to you Councilor Leandro Yangot.
Thank you, Kagawad Richard. Mapalinan niya, sir. Lain ka introduce para kita introduce to you. To our barangay mayor, one of my best friends forever, Katrina Galase, the barangay council who are present, the barangay secretary, treasurer, wala yung next chairman natin, mga residente ng creative sa Lubitra, my dear friends and my teammates from Team Makabagyo Tayo, as earlier mentioned a while ago, Councilor Joel Alangsat, Mike Loana, Mike Weeding, and Stanford. Before anything else, I'd like to greet each and everyone. Happy Hearts Day, Happy Valentine. Happy Arts Month Day, because February is Arts Month. The assignment given to me by our barangay mayor is to give the rationale. Ano ba ang rason bakit tayo nagkaroon ng mural? Alam po nyo, this is one of the barangays na I frequently visit because I have very good friends from here, which I consider family. And because I consider you family, you are on top of the list nung in-identify natin na gagawan natin ng murals. So, during your party last Christmas, it was Christmas, here in your barangay hall, pag-usapan natin that we will make a mural for your barangay. And so we had a consultation with you, we discussed it, and you also discussed it before your fellow residents of Salud Mitra. And then you came up with this concept. So what is the concept na nandito? Salud Mitra used to be the abode of our IPs. Kaya kanina, tinatanong mga kasama ko, bakit? May mga kwan ba dito, IPs? That was long ago when Baguio City was still known as Baguio. And later on, people migrated to this place, naging halo-halo na. And ano yung relevance ng mural wall nito? Each mural has a story to tell. And what is the story of this mural? Okay? Dito sa Salud Mitra, we'll start from there. Yan. Mahilig silang mag-gather. So, once upon a time, there was a place here na nag-aanido or pag malamig, konti na tao ti agurnom na ag bonfire na taknog pumudot na. Yeah. Then of course dito balbalay dito and then this a portrayal of Kapitana Nida Galase. Ay, isa sa mga kasama natin dito ng artist si Camille. Si Kyla is not present because of that. Nice. Okay. And then, here, mahilig sa sports sa mga tao pagtakbo. Because here we have a Kagawad who is a runner. Yan, si Kagawad Iscanio. So, nire-represent na mahilig na tumakbo. Then, Baguio City, of course, is the home of sunflowers. And then, ang mga tao dito mahilig sa sports. Di ba? Kaya yun. Yung Boyet na yan and Bobby, nandito ata sila nun, kaya nilagay yung pangalan nila. Saan sila? Then, so, yan. This is just the first mural. Saan yung traffic? Hindi, dito lang ito. This is the first mural. There will be another mural that will be done. Then i-discuss nyo kung ano yun. Maybe yung sinasabi ni Councilor Mike, ilagay natin yun. Diyan sa taas. Because Kiwanis International is asking na kung pwedeng sila ang mag-sponsor daw dyan. They will shoulder the paint and the labor for the artist. So I told them to coordinate with you, the barangay officials. So kakausapin mo. Ngayon. Yes, so kayo na kung saan natin ilalagay yan. So this will be the first mural. So later on, magkakaroon ng second mural. Siguro hanggang papunta tayo kina Remy sa Engineers Hill kung may mural doon. So this is just the first mural. This is the beginning. And as correctly pointed out by Kapitana Nida, this is a monumental activity today because we will inaugurate the first mural of the barangay. We have already finished 44 murals in 44 strategic places in the city of Manila. And our target is to finish at least 120. So, malayo pa. It's a long way to go. Our target was to finish 25 murals by December 2024 last year. But we were able to complete, I guess, 40 murals from December. So, we were able to surpass our target. We owe it to the artists like Camille, and the rest of the gang. Most of them are studying, so they cannot make it. And this one, you own this mural because the idea came from you. We just helped in the implementation. So after the inauguration, you will own this one. Sa inyo ito, kaya pangalagaan, kaya ang ating pong pakiusap, to all of you here, the residents who are from here, especially yung kaharap nitong mural. Bantayan natin ito against vandals. Kung gumagawa ng graffiti, so bantayan nyo. May Kagawad Richard, bantayan na rin ito. Everybody should help in protecting this mural. And if you can come up with more concepts, pwede natin tapusin natin ito and all the rest of the vacant walls dito sa Lugmitra Barangay. This will be our contribution to making Baguio a truly creative city. Baguio was declared by UNESCO as a creative city in 2017. So, yun po ang target natin. Gawin natin tunay, tunay na creative city ang Baguio sa paggawa ng mga murals. So, alam nyo na ang istorya nito. The concept behind. So, this concept came from you. Kung may magtanong ano yung mga yan, kayo na pong mag-explain. Okay? So, that's about it. And we are very honored to partner with you in this collaborative creative partnership at initiative na pinagkaisahan natin lahat. Project natin lahat ito na pinagtulong-tulungan. So, kayo nang mag-identify kung saan yun susunod. So, let this day, February 14, Valentine's Day, the day when you will have your first mural. Hopefully, by next Valentine's Day next year, may mga murals pa dito na magawa.
Happy Valentine's Day, sir.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Napakagandang regalo ito ngayon para sa mga residents, sir. Ano yung kwento behind lang po dito, Councilor, sa may mga nakikita pa tayo na ililitso natin sila.
Yeah, una sa lahat ay nais kong batiin lahat ng mga taga Baguio at ang aking pamilya at lahat ng mga kapwa kong mga artist, mga alagad ng sining, sa inyo pong lahat. So may ka-team sa Team Mga Baguio tayo. Happy Valentine's Day. Each mural, they say, has a story to tell. At katulad ng aking sinabi kanina during my speech, this mural is dedicated to the people of Salud Mitra Barangay. The people here are creative. Sila po ang nagbigay ng concept. Yung konsepto na ipipaint dito. Dito pinapakita nung unang panahon, may mga IPs dito. Yan yung sumasayaw dyan. Yun si Kapitana Nida Galasio sumasayaw. And then the rest, no, dito, people here love to gather around. So during the colder season or during the colder days of the year, mahilig silang nag-dito or yung nagbo-bonfire. Yan yung mag-start ng Burr months, September, October, November, December, January, and February. Yan po, mahilig silang to gather around dito sa bandang basketball court na medyo maluwang-luwang. And then makikita yan na the families here are very close-knit. Magkakakilala yung mga old families dito and they're used to having their own gatherings like this. Dito naman, ito yung mga bahay na tinayo dito. Yan yung mga sumasayaw na IPs, no, na during the olden times. Tapos doon nakikita mo yung mga naka-uniform kasi dito po mahilig sila sa sports. This is a community, this is a barangay where the people are so in love with sports. Then sa bando doon, may mga nakikita mo yung participation ng PWDs sa community din, yung role nila. Then nakikita mo dito, they're so close to each other that they do everything to community bayan. So yan yung dinidetect nitong first mural. As agreed with the community, this will just be the start of a series of murals that we will do here inside the community. And we hope that the creative residents will come out later na sila na mismo ang gagawa, kasama kami. So yun, if I'm not mistaken, this is already the 44th mural. At ang target natin, sana we will cover all the barangays in that way. So 44 na po ang natapos natin ng mural sa Baguio with the help of the community and with the help of our fellow artists sa Sinagi and Dalian artists. This is a collaborative initiative involving our community in Baguio. So let's put our acts together and make more murals and make Baguio City the city of murals. Also the city of gastronomy. So yan po ang ating advocacy to make Baguio the mural capital of the Philippines and the gastronomy city in Luzon. No? Probably later on, pag lumaki-laki na ang programa sa gastronomy sa buong bansa. And we're taking this opportunity to call everyone to join us in this creative initiative. Let's do it together in your own communities, in your own barangays. And we encourage companies and establishments as well as good-hearted creative businessmen to help in their CSR to put more murals around the city. Kasi pag ito lalong gumaganda yung mga graffiti walls na turn into beautiful murals will make Baguio City a truly creative, beautiful city in the Philippines. So yan, magiging sikat ang Baguio as a city of murals. There are other cities in the country na maraming murals, but here we will make sure na it will be a continuous program. It's a continuous collaboration and partnership among our people. So magsama-sama po tayo sa palaganap ng sining at ngayon pong Hearts Month ay Arts Month din. So happy Arts Month to everyone. And itong Sabado po may free art lessons plus art club sa Athletic Bowl from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. We're inviting everyone to come and join us.
Thank you so much, sir. Yun lamang po yung aking question.
Maraming salamat sa Salud Mitra Barangay for this certificate of appreciation. Together yung binigay kay Camille and Kayla, mga kapwa natin na artist. Thank you very much for for this certificate of appreciation. Lalagay ko ito sa salad sa bahay. So we will also invite you to visit the Leon Arts Museum, located in 55 Tingaw Road, Bakakong Central. It's open for everyone, especially for groups. No? Katulad kahapon, maraming pumunta, group ng mga seniors ng Ambyong Barangay at bago yun ay ang mga taga Luacan Napugan. So you come and visit the Art Museum, the first solar-powered art museum in Luzon. Ang ilaw po namin doon ay pinapailaw ng solar panels.
Pag brownout sa Baguio, sir, pwede na.
Opo, ali kayo, mag-charge kayo doon pag brownout sa Baguio. So, mabuhay ang Salud Mitra Barangay.
Thank you, sir.
Sa toong sisiwi ko, sisiwi ko, lumawa, lorong ko, tumulat, lorong dasya ko, inabahan mo, tumoy ko, inistika, ikaw isang buto. So yeah, singing the same old song. I know in this dirty sidewalk, where hustle is the name of the game, and nice guys get washed away like it's snowing. It's been a roll of compromising on the road to my horizon. Finally, where the lights are shining on me like a rising cowboy. Riding out and a star spangled rodeo like a rising cowboy. Getting cards and letters from people I don't even know, and I'll burst and overdose. And smile can hide the blue when you're down and you're riding a train and it's taking the road. And I dream everything to do with a subway token and power tucked inside my shoe. It's been a roll of compromising on a road.